Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. I love unboxing videos. I don't do them too often just because I am trying to show you guys that you don't need to be buying things constantly. However, it was Black Friday sale. Now I know before I start, you're gonna be like, Andrea, it's basically Christmas. When I upload this video, it's gonna be after Christmas. Black Friday was a long time ago. 1 minute, okay? I bought some clothes from Oner Active, and as you guys can probably imagine, they had so many orders. So it takes at least a couple of weeks for it to even arrive. Then I was in Dubai for a week, so it arrived in the UK when I was away. And now I'm finally back. We're gonna film the video. And just so you know, there is no makeup on my face. I am going to the gym later on today, so I couldn't be bothered to put makeup on to look decent for the video, to then take it off to go to the gym. So you'll survive, I'll survive. Let's just get into the unboxing. I did kind of take a sneak peek before the video because I got too excited, okay? I wanted to take a look, but I haven't tried it on, and I'm gonna try it on with you guys here for the first time, so we'll see how it goes. A little bit of girl maths here. A pair of Oner Active leggings, especially the effortless ones, are like £59, so basically £60, right? I managed to get 3 items in this sale, including an effortless pair of leggings for £63, which means I basically paid for 1 pair of leggings and got 2 items for free. Another thing that is really satisfying is when you manage to purchase a full outfit in the sale. It means you can wear literally a brand new outfit to the gym. This is a pair of Varsity Crew socks, and it's a 3-pack. So we're getting 3 pairs of socks here, guys. It's not even 3 items. Technically, I have 5 items here for £63. Oh, I just ripped the packaging off this as well. I am so aggressive. Like, I just completely ruined everything. It comes in 3 colors, obviously. We have this gorgeous, slightly off-white, I'm gonna say they're kind of sail color, with a brown logo. Also can appreciate the Christmas nails. But yeah, so it has Oner on this side, and then on the other side, oh, my bad, I'm incorrect. It says Oner on both sides, so this is how you wear them. The next pair of socks are this blue color with an off-white logo. Here's just a little close up. Really nice color. To be honest, I think they're more vibrant in person. On the camera, they look a little bit washed out. They are slightly bluer in person. This is a white pair with a kind of beige branding on the sock. And just as comparison for color, you can see this is white and this is like a sail off-white color. So this is the Timeless half zip long sleeve top in vanilla cream. I haven't bought anything from Timeless before, and it kind of matches these socks. Because it is winter now, I thought that would be nice to get another long sleeve. It's got the minimal tonal branding right here. This is just a nice little close-up. You can see the branding right here. It's not like sewn on, it's one of those ones that are printed on. You can see it's slightly raised. I'm really excited to put this on, so I'm going to speed through it because, to be honest, I could talk about clothes all day, but I know that everyone just wants to see what it looks like on me. And hopefully that will help you guys if you've never bought anything from Oner Active as well. I can tell you a little bit more about my measurements and what I usually wear and how these products look on me. So if you do want to make a purchase from them, you have a little bit more of guidance of how it will look. Last but definitely not least, the effortless leggings. These are a sandstone brown. I buy these in the long length, not the regular length, because I am 90% leg. I have very long legs, and a pet peeve of mine is when leggings are way too short on the leg. I don't like it, I find it really uncomfortable, so we go for long length. I am 5'7" and very, very disproportionately long legs compared to torso. That's why in a lot of videos you see me folding down the waistband as well, just because my torso is so small. It's literally like this. So it's not, I know people always comment, look how high she's had to pull up her leggings. I haven't actually pulled them up that high. It's just that I do not have a torso. So everything looks incredibly disproportionate on my stomach. This is what the leggings look like. You can see they are a very neutral tone, quite cold. Of course, it's effortless, so we have the scrunch bum. Scrunch bums always look so crazy when you're not wearing them. You're like, what the hell is that? but when they're actually on, they look so much better. I have to say, Effortless do a really good job of scrunch bums. The Alpha Elite also do a really good job at the scrunch bum. There is basically no branding on these pairs of leggings. The only branding you will see is right at the bottom here. And this is a sewn on branding. The logo will never come off. And these are all my purchases that I'm going to now try on for you guys. Let's go do that. So this is how it fits when it's on. I would say that this is a little bit roomier than other mediums. I think because the material is so buttery soft. Like, I don't know if you can really tell on here, but like this part here on the shoulders, there is a lot of like extra material because it's so stretchy. But I would still say that it's comfortable. I usually do go for something slightly tighter, but it's still cute and it's very comfortable. Now the leggings, what I do want to explain to people who maybe have not purchased from Oner Active before, is that the lighter the colour, the tighter they are. So this is a medium. I still am a medium regardless of colour, but it will be slightly tighter on your legs and at the top here. Like, it's still not like crazy tight, like I can still breathe in them, but they are a little bit more of a jiggle to get on. They make your glutes look amazing though, as always. They are a very flattering pair of leggings. Just so you can understand what I mean by the extra material on my top, like there's a lot of extra kind of fluffiness here and on this side as well. It's just like not as tight as it usually is, but everything else fits really nicely. This is a close-up of the leggings. I personally love this colour combination together. If we were to compare sizing, the colours like the dark reds, the dark greens, the dark blues, the dark neutrals, they are all a lot more giving. Like if I was to compare this to my red pair of Oner Active leggings, the red pair, I literally have to fold this nearly twice because there's just so much material. The legs have so much material in between your legs here. Like, they are just very stretchy. I would even say you could size down your usual size. But when it comes to these leggings, the ones that are much lighter but pastel colours in Effortless, they are tighter. Chrissy just mentioned that's just how the colour reacts with the material, and this just becomes a lot more constricting. So yeah, just for sizing, they're both mediums. I usually wear mediums to small. You can also see the difference in material between Effortless and Timeless. Timeless is a lot more buttery, super stretchy, comfortable. Effortless, completely different. If you guys did make it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you like the products, if you have ever bought anything from Oner Active, and if you have, what is your favourite product? I guess if you haven't already subscribed as well, that would be amazing. I hope you have a lovely Christmas. Realistically, when this is uploaded, it will be past Christmas, so I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. I hope you had a wonderful time, and there's a lot of bad things happening in the world right now, and I hope you guys are somewhere safe, surrounded by loved ones, and if you're not, then I'm sending you love, and let's hope for a wonderful new year. I'll see you guys in another video.